Hey everyone! Today I have something which is very special and exciting to share it with you. So, last week I ordered 2 sets of crochet hook from Amazon and I thought I will open them up together here with you and show you what it looks like. So here we go, let's open it up. Okay, so here is the very first product. Wow, it already looks exciting before I could even feel it. Okay, I thought they would come in a separate boxes, but here they are together. Oh, in fact, this is good. I will speak about this one first, and then we'll get back to the other box later. At the end of the video, I will also tell you exactly the price differences between the two and which one of them might be better. So stick till the end of the video. For now, let's just open this one up. Okay, I'm excited. Alright, the touch feels great. I love the color and the texture. It feels good in my hands. I so want to see how it looks like on the inside. So I'm opening this one. Aha! It looks great, just as it has been shown in the picture. Beautiful, beautiful piece. These are 12 pieces of stainless steel crochet hook in smaller size, ranging from 0.6 mm, 1.4. Okay, so it seems they are in no particular order, ranging from 0.6 mm to 1.9 mm. On the other side of the pouch are the colored crochet hooks, ranging from very small 2 mm, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, this must be 5, yes 5, 5.5, 6 and 6.5 mm. So this include all the sizes you require to work for any kind of project. And the best thing is that it comes in pouch, so your crochet hooks will no longer be all over the places. Alright, for this next item here, let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is a set of 2. The colors are subtle and looks good, just as it has been shown. This first combo is a set of 8 crochet hooks. Size ranges from 2.5 mm to 6 mm. The handles are made of plastic and the tips are made of stainless steel. Another good one, I love it. Let's explore all the other items inside this box. So first up is this cable knitting needle used for holding stitches at the back or front for knitting cable. Comes in 3 sizes. Good. This looks good. Next up is measuring tape. This is very important while working. I'm glad they include this in the box. Great. Next is a tapestry needle in 2 different colors. Then we have this smaller hooks, even smaller than the ones we saw before on the other pouch. Okay, so this is great when we want to work with beads or with a smaller project and yarns. It ranges from 0.6 to 1.75 mm. We have our row counters here. Row counters are very important while working on a project because sometimes we forget the number of rows we're working on. So to keep track of it, this is really good. So it seems both sides are working. And it's great that they have given another extra one here. Now this ring here, I'm not sure what it does. Then we have stitch markers. These are the safety pin like stitch markers, really great to work with. Another type of stitch marker is this one, which you can just slip it on. This little cone shaped rubber is probably used for protecting the needle just like this, so that it will not catch any scratch and fray the yarns while crocheting. And these little white slabs are used for making compartments like this, so that you can distribute any kind of small items all over if you need to. So this pretty much sums up everything. So all the other little tools of crochet are fitted very nicely inside this box, which is hard and made of plastic, so it will not get lost. Overall, I am really happy with both the sets. Well, this pouch, which contains 22 set of stainless steel crochet hook, cost this much, whereas the other combo cost this much. According to me, both of them are equally great. Well, if you already have some tools of crochet at home, then you can go for the stainless steel ones because they are stronger, they would last longer as compared to the ones with plastic handle, because the plastic handle sometimes could come loose, but this steel would remain strong and would have no issue even in the long run. But if you're looking for a full package in a budget, then this would be the choice to go because it has everything you need of crochet in it. These are easily available in the market. I will also link it in the description box below so that you can find them easily in case you need to purchase one of them or the exact same thing that I have shown here in the video. They're both economical, comes in full set of needles, and they are much better than purchasing one needle at a time from the market. So I hope you find this useful and helps you to decide.
Both ways work. This also works, but this is a bit loose. I would want this to be... oh no. Alright, it's fixable. Anyway, this is loose, but it's working well. Okay, it works.
This is my first product review and unboxing on camera without any preparation, so thank you so much for bearing with me, but I do hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. You have been amazing, and please do continue to support this channel, like, subscribe and share the videos. Bye for now.